there'd be a press gangs. You heard about press gangs?
Yep.
Press gangs would go around in pubs. If they put a king shilling in your glass and you drank out of it, they'd kidnap you and you'd have to join the fucking navy.
That's right.
And I went, you're fucking joking. So we said no. So when they come back from the toilet, they'd always lift it up, look at the bottom of the glass to see if there's a coin in there before they drank out of it.
Because that's payment, like.
Fuck's that? Fucking
Yeah.
mental's that?
That bird's going fucking mad. It's going mad at there. It's like morning, morning, not morning, not morning. He's looking around like that as well. He's like, well, am I the only one doing this?
He was also saying that in Bristol, because there's a massive port in Bristol winter in the docks, like
Yeah, slaves, wasn't
they
it?
press ganged 300 blokes in one night in Bristol. That's a lot of people in it. Just took them on the shit. That's it, like, you know.
Fucking got it on that. Just got it on that bird all the time. I forgot about the eclipse.